Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shareware Hub. Today I'm going to show you some process how to make your device with a PC or laptop faster. So here are some process. At first you need to hit Windows key and R combination. Then you need to type msconfig and hit enter. Now under the general tab, you need to click over normal startup, and then you need to choose the boot tab. In the boot tab just below you can see advanced options. Here are number of processors. You need to increase the number of processors, the highest number the available in your PC. You need to choose it, then OK, and apply it, and then OK. And don't forget to restart your device to have those system configuration effect. So for now I will just cross this and show you next process to make your device faster. So again hit the Windows key and R combination, and then you have to type clean mgr, and this will take you the disk cleanup, and then you have to clean up the system files and then say OK and delete files, and this process will delete your unnecessary files on your machine, and then this way you need to clean up your disk. And one more process you need to do is Win key and R combination, press it and then asterisk temp, and this will show you all the temporary files. You need to select them and then hit delete key like this. So if you do this process, your machine will work faster now. So thank you very much for watching today's video. Please do subscribe my channel to watch more informative videos in the future too. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Hello everyone,